Alright, you guys, here giving you a quick little tour of my new toolbox. Bought this box back in November. Got the box and the stainless top. Got a pretty good deal on it from the local Snap-on dealer. We're going to start with just the drawers and work our way down. Got all of my sockets and wrenches in this drawer here. Got my 3/8 drive set in here, my quarter drive in there. Got my 3/8 drive sockets right there, those are standard. I've got metric in here. Most of this stuff is either Snap-on or Blue Point. My wrenches are gear wrench. This drawer, I kind of have assorted things. Got my tap and die set, my bearing race punches, my impact driver, my drill bits, my cordless stuff, my multimeter, my hammers, wire brushes, my remote starter button, my torque wrenches. Here we've got my Pliers Drawer. And again, most of this stuff is either Snap-on, Blue Point. I do have some Craftsman stuff. Got my cotter pin puller, my seal puller, a zip tie gun, my ratcheting crimpers. I got a set of snap ring pliers right there. I actually have a couple of drawers that I don't use yet. This drawer's just being a bitch. I got my pry bars here. Again, they're Snap-on. Don't have anything in this drawer yet. Just some stuff in this drawer. Just like the top part that came on this here. This is my bottom drawer of stuff that I kind of don't use that often. I got my little torch. Got my respirator, got my compression gauge set, and again that's Snap-on. My respirator Snap-on. This drawer, kind of not too exciting. It's just basically my Snap-on record book. Got a few pens, a couple pencils. Not too exciting in that one. Have my screwdrivers. And again, all that stuff is Snap-on. I've got my picks, again Snap-on. My T-handles, they're all Craftsman actually, and I really don't use them too much. I've also got some Torques. And this bottom drawer here, it's basically some rags. I use my own rags. I don't use the rags that the shop has because they suck. I've got my cordless drill right there. Again, that's just a Craftsman one. I use it quite often and I have no problems with it. I've got my face shield for doing grinding and stuff. Got some hand cleaner, Snap-on. Got some gloves, roll-lock discs and stuff. Then I've also got my little roller seat. Just got that not too long ago, so I've only used it actually twice. And on top of my box, I've got a just a tray that I use to carry my tools out to the job. Got some engine tuner and penetrating oil. I've got my chargers here for my 7.2 volt cordless. This is for my 18 volt Craftsman. And I just got a power strip right there in my box. Then I have just a container of stuff. And actually, got the charger for this light, which I haven't used it in a while, but you can see it's pretty freaking bright. You can see the camera is actually adjusting to the light. What I really like about it is it's magnetic, so you can stick it up somewhere. It's also got a hook on it. It's LED. And then it also has on the bottom some LEDs. And I've got snap-on LED light. I actually have two of them. This one here actually doesn't work, but I keep it for having the lens and bulbs and stuff. Get some wire brushes. Again, they're snap-on. My meter is a Blue Point meter. It's not really, you know, it doesn't do too much, but it does what I need it to do. I've got my power screwdriver on 3/8 drive impact. They work really good. Got my antifreeze tester for testing like closed cooling systems. My test light. And I've also got this tool that I made here for taking the oil filter cover off on 4-stroke Sea-Doos. Because the tool that BRP makes, it really freaking sucks. It bends when you try to take the filter cover off, so I just made this one out of a piece of 6mm Allen key stock. So thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.